Hello guys, welcome to Androzone. In this lesson we will cover how to connect your Android mobile phone wirelessly with Android Studio. We can connect Android device wirelessly in Android Studio over ADB. ADB is an Android debug bridge which is a versatile command line tool that lets you communicate with the device. It also provides access to your Unix shell that you can use to run a variety of commands on a device. For connecting Android device wirelessly in Android Studio, first on the hotspot of the device which we want to connect wirelessly in Android Studio, and connect that hotspots to the laptop or PC. Here I am connecting. We are connecting Android device wirelessly over ADB. ADB is in Android SDK platform tool, so we need to copy the folder path and set the path of that folder into the system variable. So go to the local disk C, then go to the users folder. Here your username will be appear. Click on that folder, then few hidden items, then click on app data, then click on local folder, then Android folder. Here click on SDK folder and copy the path of platform tools folder, then go to the search and search edit system environment variables, then here click on new button, then give the variable name is path and variable value is the path of platform tools folder, and click on OK. Close it, then go to the Android Studio. Now connect Android device and your laptop over USB cable. Here it's showing the name of the device which is connected. Okay, then go to the terminal and hit the command adb tcp ip 5555 and hit enter. It restarts the TCP mode port. Then go to the settings of Android device, then go to the about phone option, then go to the status. Here we find the IP address of Android device, then here ADB connect IP address of your phone 9 and hit enter. We have successfully connected to physical device wirelessly. Then remove USB cable, and here we can see the our device is connected wirelessly. So thank you for guys watching.